Hello viewers, this is all of you once again. Welcome to this new video where I'm going to show you how to automatically prevent duplicate entries on your Excel spreadsheet. For example, here on this C column, I have got duplicate validation activated. Now, if I enter any of these names, for example, here on the Twitter, I've got it on the third row. Now, if I place it here, you are going to see a duplicate entry validation message. All right, so now if I click on cancel, he's not going to take the entry as I have activated duplicate validation. But for column A, I didn't activated the duplicate validation. So if I put here, as you can see here on the third row, we have got Twitter, but if I put it here, it is going to take the entry. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to activate duplicate entry validation for column A so that you will be able to do the same. So first thing, you have to select the column on which you want to activate the duplicate validation, and after that you have to click on data and then go to data validation, and after that click on data validation here, and then you are going to find a data validation dialog box here, and you have to provide the validation criteria. So here on the validation criteria, we have to click here on this down arrow button, and we'll find custom option here, and then we have to give the formula, and the formula is equal to, and then count if, and then the bracket sign, and then put $A, and then again put $1. So we are going to start the validation from the column A from the first row. Okay, and now we have to give the colon, and then again we have to put $A1. So it is going to be looking our range, and then we are going to give a comma, and again we have to put $A1. And now we have selected the full column of A. Okay, so in whatever row we are going to enter the information, it is going to validate the duplicate entries. All right, so now let's just cut it out, and then after putting these things, we have to give equal to 1, so it won't take any entries or any value which is going to be more than one entry here. Okay, so now let's click on, or before we click on OK, we are going to give a error alert here. So let's give the title, which is going to be duplicate entry, and then the error message, you are entering a duplicate value. And now let's click on OK, and now if we just put Facebook again here, we are going to see that duplicate entry message appeared. You are entering a duplicate value. So that's the process of making your Excel spreadsheet duplicate validation activated. So I believe you have found this video helpful, and if you did, please give this video a like and share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos in near future. And I'm going to attach the validation code into the video description for you so that it will be easier for you as well. So I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.